Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make an easy flash transition effect in After Effects. First of all, we will need to create new solid layer. Let's name it Flash and then make sure that the size is the same as your composition. Now click on Color and make sure to set it to white and then hit OK. Now let's cut Flash layer where the second clip starts from, then go 10 frames forward, hold Shift and press page down one time and then cut the ending as well. Now scroll to the beginning of the Flash layer and press T on your keyboard to open opacity and then click on opacity stopwatch icon. Now scroll to the end of the Flash layer and change opacity to 0%. You can leave it like that if you want a hard flash effect like this, but you can also click on toggle switches / modes and change Flash layers mode to overlay, and then let's check it again. I like this one more. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.